Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to ask you some questions. This is the
Okay.
part of your IELTS speaking part 1, okay?
Okay, sir.
So let's just make a start. Tell me about your hometown.
Sir, I live in Lahore, and my hometown is near to Batapur. That is near Mughalpura, and I mostly used to live in Lahore, but from my ancestors, we are from Gujarat, and
Okay, that's good. When I say hometown, hometown is the city.
yes,
So
sir.
don't talk about the locality where you live in.
Okay, sir.
Just talk about the whole city
Okay, sir.
and talk about the city.
Okay,
And you
sir.
can say my ancestral city is Gujarat and in the past my grandparents migrated to Lahore.
Okay, sir.
Something like that,
Okay,
okay?
sir. Okay, sir.
Now, let's go on. Is it a big or small city?
It's a big city, and you can say that it's the heart of Pakistan, Lahore, that where I live, and uh, Lahore is renowned from you can say from very specialities that have Lahore.
Okay, what do you like about your city?
Sir, I liked most that the education system in Lahore is good instead of other countries, and I think that education plays a very important role uh, in the personality of any person.
Okay, now don't talk about personality, only talk about your hometown and education.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, your answer will be irrelevant. And in
Okay.
the end, you need to give conclusion of your answer.
Okay, sir.
One last question. Would you like to live in this city in the future?
Yes, sir. Obviously, I want to live in this city because of many reasons. Because there are a number of universities where I can do and where I can do, and with according to my research,
I can study according to my research.
and a number of historical places as well that where we can get information with.
Okay, so at the moment your answers are not organized.
Yes, sir.
Gradually, you can just do that
Yes, sir.
and practice all these
If
questions.
I
That's
practice,
okay, thank
yes,
you.
sir.
Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic,
Okay,
and
sir.
you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please,
Okay,
you
sir.
can start.
Sir, the activity that enjoyed in my free time when I was young, that I mostly used to play badminton, and I mostly used to perform this activity in my home lawn, and I used perform this activity with my sisters, and after playing that activity, it made my mood fresh and make me to study better in a better way so that I can focus on my research, and it made my mood fresh.
Okay, this is less than a minute. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
speak on the topic for at least 1 minute,
Okay,
and
sir.
in actual exam, allow the examiner to stop you.
Okay, sir.
Because if it isn't 1 minute, examiner will not stop you.
Okay,
And
sir.
after 1 minute, examiner will stop you.
Okay,
So
sir.
next time you have to be careful.
Okay, sir.
Now, let's move on. This is IELTS speaking part 3.
Okay, sir.
What type of activities do children enjoy in their free time these days?
Sir, if I speak honestly, children's nowadays, I don't think so that they like some activities. They just want to focus on their technology that is in mobiles, and they just want to watch games and just want to watch movies, and they don't want to make any kind of activities, according to
All
my
right.
point.
Do you think people will prefer indoor activities or outdoor activities in the future?
Uh, I think people, according to my prediction, that the people will mostly use indoor activities because if we see in in our environment, in our surroundings, that people mostly used to mostly used to live in their indoor. They don't want to come out just because of many reasons. That can be
Okay, this
that.
could just try to expand on your vocabulary.
Okay,
Use
sir.
a variety of words. For indoor, you can use the word in their bedroom, in their house. For
Okay, sir.
outdoor, you can use the word in the open air, in the terrace, in the garden.
Okay,
So try
sir.
to expand on your vocabulary.
Okay, sir.
That will
Okay,
further
sir.
improve your pen
Ye-
score. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you
inshallah.
so
Sir,
much.
thank you very much. Thank you.
Jazakallah.